Hey guys, this is Sarah here, and today, I'm kidding. I'm not resting your mood. Why do you bother? Yep. Okay. Okay, so today we'll be playing Animal Jam. Yay. So the intro was a little bit boring, but never mind. So yeah, it was the new update that happened. Today I got my Geminal deer. This came, and I got my daily Geminal gift. You can get a diamond or something else, and yeah. The fox. Okay, I have hardly 4 diamonds, but yeah, here's my deer. He's really cute. So cute. So, we're gonna see if I can buy myself an Arctic fox. Or can't I? No, she's not here yet. We have the snow leopard, but we don't have the Arctic fox yet. In the news, it says that... Wait. According to Season 7 Red with the Jolly Jungle Bundle, it comes with 3 animals, the Arctic wolf, other fox, and snow leopard. Plus a pet reindeer, the ninja armor, a jelly doll house, and just tons of never seen gingerbread and items. So, I'm gonna get the Arctic fox because I'm gonna get my membership repaired in this month. So, I'm gonna get all of these items, I guess. Yeah, so today we're gonna explore the Juma and stalk people because why not? So yeah, I didn't show you my animals last time in my video, so yeah, these are the animals. We have the red panda, the eagle, my main look. I'm sorry for the messages. This my mom designed this one. I don't know why. We have this. This is my non-member item. So I don't know. Let's go stalk some jammers now. Where should we go? mt.sheever sounds good. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, so we have people jumping in this beach party in my den. It's freaking winter. Why do you have a beach party in your den? Okay. Oh my god, it's... Anyways, so that person left, so I guess... I'm gonna try to get my... Why? Tell me why. Every time when I do the video, this... Let's check. Jesus! What the... I guess I fixed it. But not for too long. Yep. Not for too long! Really? My computer is so messed up. Okay, so let's just... Okay, see what this is. The pets. Oh yeah. Okay, so we have... I really want the snake or the dog. I think I'm gonna get the dog today. Yeah, you don't look very good. I think he ain't good, so yeah, we're just gonna ignore that. What color? I don't know. What the heck? gonna record that there's some dumb people on Amazon. So you can buy this, you can buy this, you can buy spilled popcorn and Paradise Rock. For this, you can buy this too. No, spend your gems. I don't want to trade you that. I got to buy the pet, and the pet is now with me, and it's with the trend. So, oh, look, a new jammer. Why do they interrupt me during a video? I don't... There, silent. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the video here because, yeah, we just bought myself a new pet and stuff. So, nothing really didn't happen in this video, but, yeah. Like and subscribe. What the heck? I already have this band backpack, princess gown, baseball cap. For this, for my rare spike color. No, sorry sis, but okay. So, as I told you guys, like and comment and subscribe to my channel because I have only like 1 subscriber. Really? Okay, so here's the outro. Goodbye.